Manyi lwaki olabye ozenzeka nze ndi wali munda family ze Fefe alinga muganda wange nasoma ne Fefe bayogedde dda bingi ebyokuyimba kati nze kanzira eri gye batamanye nze nasoma ne Fefe O level ku Cityland College e Matuga Fefe olaba oyo bwe yabaga nti babba erinnya n'ekituufu baali bamuyita Gravity
And you the
baddest rapper at school. Yes, he was the baddest rapper. This is a story you won't hear anywhere. Then I didn't win and I win. That's why I back and they don't have a touch making. That's why I actually come so many of Fefe and I didn't stage of rapping. I'm going to flow you. But you gravity. When I formula I never Fefe and go away and I walk all over.
Why were you bedding?
Man, you know me, I'm so proud of you. The Mr. Mukiza. Peter never no Mr. Mukiza. Frankie, I'm so proud of you. We made it. God is good.
Wow.
Look how far we've come.
Wow.
So just dream and
bro.
And God made us. Here we are.
Wow.
We are still thriving. We are going far. Palaso. Webali kwagala fe. By the way. Much love and respect, Mr. Bobby One, our principal.
Wow.
My brother happens to be one of principal's DJs, DJ King, and I had a chance to meet principal. This is our king. This is our king. This is our king. Here we are, and I'm so proud of you. Thank you for fighting for freedom. Thank you for fighting and standing up for this country. We believe in you and we love you. May God bless you.
Wow.
Thank you so much for taking care. I wish you the best, my sister.
Mami King.
Mami King. Mama
yeah, bro.